Caterpillar Diary. It's the first week of summer. This morning I found some tiny eggs on a leaf. I decided to keep them to see if they'd hatch. Some of the caterpillars have hatched at last. They're eating their own eggshells. I watched the caterpillars split open their skins and climb out. I touched one. The hairs were prickly. This caterpillar has shed its skin again. Now it's green and has grown a lot bigger. When I use a magnifying glass, I can see eyes, legs, feelers, and mouth. My caterpillar has changed its color. This means it's ready to become a pupa. It has started to spin a cocoon. Butterflies don't make cocoons, so it's going to be something else. The pupa has been in its cocoon for 4 weeks now. I can't see any changes. I hope it's all right. Last night, my moth came out of its cocoon. I know it's a moth because its feelers are shaped like feathers. So moths have cocoons and butterflies have chrysalises. So this is the life cycle of a moth. My moth has 2 spots on his wings, which look like eyes. This scares away birds that might want to eat it. When I tried to touch the moth, it moved its back wings. These have bigger eye spots. Now I have to let my moth go so it can feed itself and find a mate. So the life cycle of a butterfly or a moth is really neat to look at because it goes through some pretty amazing changes. Here is a picture showing my moth's life cycle. It's called an emperor gum moth. So they start off as an egg. They become caterpillars and they eat and eat and eat a lot and grow bigger and bigger and bigger. And then you have the pupa in the cocoon. So it makes big transformations through these different forms of its life. And as it's in the cocoon, it transforms into a moth and finally emerges as an adult moth. So it's a pretty neat life cycle for this particular creature or bug.